Hello, and welcome to another English listening practice for beginners. Let's start. It was a new day. The sun was shining through the bedroom window. Birds were singing outside. The city was waking up. Alex woke up early. Her alarm didn't even ring. She had a big presentation at work today. She had worked on it all week. She could not be late. Still feeling sleepy, Alex got out of bed. She walked to the kitchen and made some strong coffee. The smell was nice and warm. She drank it slowly and looked out the window. She took a deep breath. Today is the day, she said to herself. Let's do this. After her coffee, Alex took a hot shower. It helped her wake up. She put on her best clothes, a white shirt, a blue jacket, and nice pants. She did her hair and put on a little makeup. She looked in the mirror and smiled. Okay, Alex, she said. You're ready. She picked up her bag and walked to the front door. She put her hand in her pocket to get her car keys, but they weren't there. She frowned. She checked the other pocket. Still nothing. Okay, don't panic, she said. She looked on the small table by the door. No keys. She opened her bag. No keys, just her phone, wallet, and notebook. Now she was a little worried. She started looking everywhere, under the sofa, behind the TV, in the kitchen drawers. She even opened the fridge by mistake and laughed nervously. Where are the keys? She said. In the corner, her dog JJ was playing with a toy. He wagged his tail and looked happy. Alex didn't notice him, she was too busy searching. The keys. The keys, she said, running around the room. Her hair was messy now, and her nice shirt had wrinkles. Then she stopped. She took a deep breath. She looked at JJ. He wasn't playing anymore. He was sitting very still, with something shiny in his mouth. Alex looked closer. JJ, is that? She whispered. Yes, it was the keys. JJ. Give me the keys, she said. But JJ didn't listen. He barked and ran down the hallway. JJ. Come back. Alex shouted, running after him. JJ ran under the bed. Alex got on her knees to look, but JJ ran out the other side. He jumped on the sofa, tail wagging. Come here, you silly dog. Alex laughed. Her jacket got stuck on the door. Her hair was now in a messy ponytail. This is not the time to play, she said. Finally, JJ ran into the kitchen and stopped. He had nowhere to go. Alex walked slowly and held out her hand. Okay, JJ. The game is over. Be a good boy. Give me the keys. JJ looked at the open window. Alex saw him look. JJ, no. With a quick move, JJ threw the keys out the window. The keys landed in the garden. Alex's mouth opened wide. No way. She ran to the garden and opened the door. The grass was tall, and the flowers were big. She looked behind flower pots. No keys. She looked under the table. Nothing. She got on her knees and searched the grass. Her clothes got dirty, but she didn't care. Then, near the roses, she saw something shiny. She reached for it. Aha, she shouted. It was the keys. They were a little dirty, but still good. She ran back into the house, holding them up like a prize. JJ wagged his tail like he was proud. You're a smart dog, Alex said. Too smart. She gave him a quick pet. She looked at the clock. She was late, but not too late. She grabbed her bag, her cold coffee, and the keys. Her hair was messy, and her clothes were not perfect, but she didn't care anymore. She opened the door and smiled at JJ. He was on the couch, looking happy. I'll see you later, silly boy, she said. She stepped out the door, ready for her big meeting, tired, messy, but stronger than ever. She stepped out the door, ready for her big meeting, tired, messy, but stronger than ever. Alex drove quickly, but safely, to work. She walked into the building a little out of breath, her hair still a bit wild. People looked at her funny, but she smiled and waved like everything was normal. In the meeting room, her boss said, "You're just in time." Alex gave her presentation. She spoke clearly and showed her work with confidence. Everyone clapped at the end. Her boss smiled. "Great job, Alex," he said. "That was excellent." Alex smiled back. "Thank you," she said. "It's been an exciting morning." Back home. After a long day, Alex finally came back home. She opened the door, and JJ ran to greet her. He wagged his tail and looked up at her like he was asking, "So, how was your day?" Alex dropped her bag, took off her shoes, and looked at JJ. "You are one lucky dog, mister," she said with a smile. "Very, very lucky." She laughed. "Next time, please don't throw my keys out the window." JJ jumped onto the sofa and rolled on his back like he didn't hear her at all. "Okay, you win. But tomorrow, you're not allowed to touch anything." Alex leaned back, finally relaxed. "What a day," she said. And for once, JJ didn't steal anything. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more stories.